Okay, Facebook has made some more changes, which are great for Facebook pages. One of the ones we're going to be talking about today is this slider piece you got here. Which allows you to upload multiple pictures to your main Facebook banner. It used to be it was just a single image you could put up there, and they've been adding more and more features to make it nicer and nicer. So now you can actually add multiple images, and when your visitors come to the page, they can click on this arrow and see different images that represent what it is your business or brand is about, which is really nice. The other one that you have is video. And basically where the video will play automatically as somebody comes to the page, like you see here. And it'll have this flashing sign here that says video, and people can actually just see what it is that you do, what your offerings are, which, if a picture says 1,000 words and a video says 1,000,000 words, in my opinion. So here we are. This is final touch detailing. Sometimes people get it confused, the difference between a car detailer and a car wash. So having a Facebook page to educate customers and prospects about what it is they actually do is crucial. So we're going to talk about some of the new features again. If you saw the Super Street page we were previously on, if you notice, Facebook has now switched to this new circular image here, where it basically cuts your image that you upload. It used to be a square, and now it's a circle. Like if we go back to Super Street here, you can see it again. This is what it used to be. So changes for 2019 going forward, this is how it's going to be looking. These guys either haven't updated theirs yet, or sometimes Facebook they'll just show up and then Facebook has already changed it. Next, we're going to talk about this little section here, which is really nice, called Our Story. And it says About Super Street Magazine. So people can come here and just get a quick, because people's attention spans today are, fleeting. You're dealing with probably like 30 seconds to grab the person's attention for them to even engage further, to want to read what you have in your page. So by coming here, you can quickly see, okay, Super Street brings you the best vehicle builds, features, event coverage, technical info, and if you click see more, it opens up into this. Super Street brings you the best vehicle builds, features, event coverage, technical info, news, each and every month in print, daily on the website, and almost hourly on social media pages. So that gives you a very nice summary, very quick summary of what to expect on Super Street. And if you wanted to read further, okay, they don't have anything. Great. So they kept it nice and short. And so you can come here and just get a quick gist of what it is they do. And if we look at Final Touch Detailing, so let's see what they have. About Final Touch Detailing Services, Maryland, DC, Virginia, so you know right away what areas they service. Always fresh, always clean, always detailed. That's their mantra. And it says Greg Lyles, because that's who you see here. Greg Lyles, the Final Touch detailer, and his staff attract vehicles from all over the DC metro area. So that lets you know right away, what areas they service. So if you live in Maryland, you live in DC, you live in Virginia, you know that you're good to go. So it says Maryland, Greg Lyles, the Final Touch detailer, and his staff attract vehicles from all over the DC metro area in need of being detailed and restored to the original showroom luster. With over 100,000 cars detailed, 42 years in the industry, and 19 years running a detail shop. We are the premier choice in the area. Final Touch TV was the first detailing show on YouTube and is viewed by car enthusiasts all over the globe. Not bad for a guy who used to be a butcher. And if you scroll down, you'll see pictures of, here he is cleaning the glass on a Benz. Here's his team. Here he is doing some window tint. So you get a very good, quick gist of what it is that he does, which is very good. Having a good @ name is also crucial. At Car Detailing Maryland. This is very strategic because this is some of the things that people might type in Google to search for a car detailer. So he's using keywords, car detailing Maryland, because he's in Laurel, Maryland. That's where the shop's located. So these are very good, very strong keywords here. Let's see what Super Street has. At Super Street Magazine. So again, keywords there. Now this is very smart here. He has his hours posted and the days of the week that he's opened. So that way, when somebody comes and they're just here to find just that information, they don't have to really search. Because again, people today, quite frankly, are lazy and they're just looking they want whatever it is right up front, easy to find. They don't want to exert any effort. So quickly right here it says hours, Monday to Saturday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Sunday we're closed. So very straightforward and very prominently placed. So that way they don't have to come here to About Us and all this other stuff. The days of stock photos where everything looks so corporate and polished, those days are really over. I mean, today the millennial generation and today's generation, they're more interested in what's really going on there. They like behind the scenes type of stuff. So this is very nice here, having a collage of photos that says a day at the shop, and there's that picture again of him cleaning the car or window, and then you can see here it looks like some of his tools. There's the office. I think there's another tool here. So again, this is very good because it's prominently placed, and it gives that behind the scenes. This is a real place, real people doing real work. It's relatable. It gives that kind of impression right off the bat. So again, that's the post that's prominent at the top. So these are all good things you should have in your post that people should see when they come, that should be at the top to give it that personal touch and make things more relatable. Again, people should not have to figure out what it is you do. Now, for those who may be thinking, okay, car wash, car detail, same thing, this video right here shows you clearly the difference between a car wash and a car detail. Because when you drive your car through the car wash, yeah, you're washing the outside, but you're definitely not washing all this. This requires a different set of skills. So this again is a great video that he's posted here, because you can see, and he has it here, watch video part 1. This is one dirty, filthy interior, but no job is too big for Final Touch Detailing Service. And as you can clearly see here, this car is filthy. And then he has the after video, where you can see what he did to bring this car back to some semblance of normality and cleanliness. I mean, well, wow, what a difference. So again, these are two very good videos. because it clearly demonstrates what you will get in terms of their offerings at Final Touch Detailing. So if you're setting up your Facebook page, make sure that these are the prominent types of posts when people get there that demonstrate what it is that you do. Before and after videos, having the hours put there, right up there, and at the top, making it easy for them to know when you're available, if they're ready to just drop in. So these are really good examples of things that a good Facebook page should have in terms of postings. If you have YouTube videos and you want to place them on Facebook, there are apps and things that you can use where people can actually view your YouTube page on Facebook without having to go to YouTube. Now, there's different strategies and reasons for doing that, but do remember this, that Facebook does favor its own videos over YouTube because they're in competition and they want you to use their stuff. So again, what I'm about to show you here is an app that you can get and add to your Facebook page. But Final Touch Detailing here has a show online called Final Touch TV. And basically, again, the premise of that was to educate prospects and customers about basically detailing, which helped with the pricing, because sometimes people confused the two, and they didn't understand why a detail would cost $100 or $150 or $200 depending on the size of the vehicle. But after watching a video and watching him detail a car from start to finish, and all the different areas like cleaning the engine, shampooing the carpets, all that stuff, you actually get to see. Seeing is believing. But before we get to that, another good thing here he has with this button is this Book Now button. So Facebook, again, has given you all these great features with your page. This Book Now button is you can book an appointment. So again, he has that prominently placed there, as you can see. So you click that, it takes you to the website, you book an appointment, and get your car detailed. But back to the videos. So he has this app here, and here's a YouTube video. And again, this is coming directly from YouTube, as you can see. And then here are all the rest of his videos. He has testimonials here from his clients. He has different ones where he's showing you detailing the engine. I think this is paint protection film. Here he is in an RV. So again, and you can hit like and you can share. So a lot of great features that this app provides. There are lots of different ones out there, but again, you get to see, this is social proof. You get to see that he is a professional and that he is a real detail expert. He has a real detail shop, and this all makes it easier for him to be chosen out of all the other choices for detailers in his area, because now you can actually get to see what he does and how he does it, his level of professionalism. And it also builds that emotional connection, because you now get to connect with a person rather than just a business, and you don't know who's in the background or who you're going to meet. And people do business with people they know and people they like. So this now affords you an opportunity to build that emotional connection. Doing advertising and promotion in the digital age is about emotional connection. You have to, people don't buy from logic, they buy from emotion. So If they're emotionally connected, the likelihood of them choosing you, the likelihood of them opening their wallets, their purses to buy products, goods, services is significantly higher once there's an emotional connection. If you like this video, hit subscribe, hit like at the bottom, and if we get 100 likes, we'll make another video, again, dissecting Facebook, because there's tons of stuff coming in 2019. There's tons of stuff you can do to optimize your page. This is just one of many, many great things that Facebook will allow you to do to help generate more business. But again, a lot of people are uneducated about all the tools and things they can do with their Facebook page. And that's why a lot of people's Facebook pages, quite frankly, are graveyards. There's nothing happening there because sometimes they don't know what to post, or they don't understand the strategy, or even sometimes the days of the week and times. These are all videos we will make. And if you want to see those, remember to hit like, and we will make those videos. Hit subscribe. All right, schoolers, that's it for this episode of Got Schooled. See you next time.